The Stiffness Matrix Interactive Calculator helps you analyze spring systems and calculate structural stiffness matrices for various mechanical configurations. Let me show you the key inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. 2 spring system 2, DOF. 3 spring system 3, DOF. Parallel spring system. Displacement from force given K, and force from displacement given K. For this demonstration, I'm using the 2 spring system mode. The input fields include spring constant K1, K2, and K3 in newtons per meter, parallel spring K1 and K2, series spring K3, stiffness matrix elements K11, K12, K21, and K22, force F2 and F3 in newtons, and displacement U2 and U3 in meters. For our example, I'll enter spring constant K1 as 5,000 and K2 as 3,000 newtons per meter. After clicking Calculate Stiffness Matrix, the results show K11 equals 8,000 newtons per meter, K12 equals -3,000, K21 equals -3,000, and K22 equals 3,000. The determinant is 1.500 E plus 7, and the condition reads, well conditioned, system is stable, confirming our spring system will perform reliably. Find the link in the description below.